Hey guys, I'm going to commit to doing Vlogmas, which is a video every day leading up to Christmas after Thanksgiving. If I am wrong, please correct me. This right here is the extent of my Christmas decorating so far. Just this little tree I made a couple years ago. Well, I didn't make it. I put the balls and bow on it, and my little snowman candle thingy. But we'll get there. We'll get there. This right here is costume makeup. I did a haul video for my channel. If you're interested in that, I should have that up by the time this goes up. But I just wanted to show you how big that pile is. I have a problem, yes, I know, but I love costume makeup. So, hey you guys. I usually start out my day with coffee, but today I'm not. I have the flu, full-on flu. I hate it. I have my little snot rag. So instead of coffee, I'm going to start out my day with another nap, and I will come back after I wake up. Just feeding my son a bottle. He is sick with the cold too, but praise Jesus, he is still eating really well, and he's just mildly fussy, but we have him swaddled into his car seat so that he's not laying flat because he chokes. And I sit here with him because I'm a worry-wart mother. So yeah. I'm just sitting here with this little guy. He's awake now. Poor little guy has eczema on his face. Yeah. They have a little bit of problem. Other than that, we're just watching Dog the Bounty Hunter, and I'm just about to give him a bottle. That's what he wants. Yeah, or he wants to play with the camera. One of the two. Oh, somebody's sleepy.
Look at me. Have you been good today?
Yeah. He has been good though. Considering he's sick.
That means we get our 30-minute playtime today. Means we get our playtime.
Got a runny nose. Dad got a runny nose.
He's got a little nose.
He slobbered all over his
Oh,
sleeper.
it's soaked all the way down here.
How was your day, Jen?
It was great.
Did you get on to your boyfriend?
Yeah, actually I did.
Why didn't he
But
call?
he had a good reason, because his mom's phone cut off. Like, she had to pay the bill again. Because it's almost the end of the month.
Oh.
Yeah. That's not funny. That's not funny.
How was your day, baby?
Good.
Where's her best friend? When he's not scratching her.
Yeah, he don't scratch anymore. So I'm a good boogie.
They have their differences, but they make it work most of the time. And at least
Say, but I miss him.
one thing.
What's his name?
Boogie.
Boogie.
Yeah.
How was your day?
It's good.
Good?
Yeah.
But you said you slept most of the day.
Yeah, that's why it was good. And then we had that nasty cheese sticks for lunch. Same.
Frozen on the inside?
Yeah. Except I didn't eat it. Alexis went in and told me how it was, and I just sat in the bathroom and skipped it.
Theodore's making his Christmas list with Jen. What's the first thing on there, Jen?
I haven't wrote the actual list yet, but he helped me write the intro. And it says, Dear Santa Claus, my name is Theodore. I am 4 and 3/4 months old.
Aw, yeah. Is she writing to Santa for you? Theodore, you're so good. You're so good. You're so good. Yeah, I've been so sick. Here's what we're having for dinner. We're having cheese stuffed chicken nuggets, rice with butter and salt and pepper, and corn. And I'm just sitting here watching the kids play games. Kendra is showing Theodore how to play cards.
Okay, you ready to play now? Are you? Okay, I go first, okay?
What you got?
Hello.
Do you have a 10? Let's see here.
Why, hello, handsome. Hello, handsome.
Are you wanting a card? Grab your card. No, you can't. No, you can't eat them. Don't even think about it. Here.
Oh, what a relief it is.
Are you trying to eat your drink?
We're just sitting here listening to the wind. The wind's blowing very hard. Isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Are you blowing spit bubbles over here?
They don't even exist yet.
Oh, Dad, no, it's a new processor for rectangles. No, it's not a bra, it's a shoe. Listen, Dad, I gotta run. Pick up tomorrow at the airport, okay? Be the best. Bye-bye.
Them baby feet. Them baby feet. Yeah. Bye-bye. Looking at your foot?
Starts Thursday night at 7, only on AMC.
Good night, everybody.
Good night. Bzz. Y'all ready for bed? Had a bath, some lotion, and we got a nice sleeper. And we got, alright, well, I am just about to go to bed. I gave the baby a bath, put some lotion on him, got him to sleep, and get ready for another day tomorrow. I'm tired, and I was checking on my little girl. So I decided to do this outro. She is sleeping very peacefully. Good night, you guys.